Guys, let's talk batteries. Batteries for the 12 valve. What is the best battery? You got a whole lot of batteries out there, a whole lot of choices. What are you gonna pick? Some are cheap, some are expensive. What are you gonna do? I'm gonna tell you from experience, and I'll cut right to the chase. Optima red tops. These are the best batteries. I bought this truck in 2013, and these had two Optima red tops that came with it. This thing has been through California, summer, desert summer and winters. It's been through El Paso, summer and winters, which can get pretty cold. It's high elevation there. And it's been through Florida, heat and summer and winters. And finally, about 3 weeks ago, I had one of these two batteries die. These batteries are at least 8 years old and still cranking, still putting out the exact amount that they should when they ran the test. Finally, I had one that was still putting out 12 volts, but under load it just dropped to nothing. So I bought one more Optima red top. They are expensive, but by experience, 100%, I will never, ever buy a different battery. If you're gonna get a battery, especially for your diesel, you need that cranking power. You want the Optima red tops are the absolute best. You want the best. Why? I had that when that battery failed on me, it drained out and I needed to get a jump. And it was so dead, the system was so dead that it took two cars. I had two cars. I had one car hooked up to that battery and it was not enough to crank the engine over. I had two cars with two jumper cables, almost ghetto attached this thing together, and was able to finally crank it over and get it going. But that is it. You want the #1 battery? I will never buy anything from Optima. Again, I'm not sponsored by Optima. Hey Optima, if you're listening, I'll take a sponsorship. But they're not paying me for anything. This is pure. I will never get anything beside Optima red tops. All right, cheers guys.